Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of every conversation happening on your Pinterest pins, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on in-app notifications for comments on the pins you've published, so you never miss a comment or a chance to engage with your audience. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you publish your pins. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the person icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it. This will bring up your account settings and options. Now, scroll down and find the option labeled Notification. Tap on it to open your notification settings. Here, you'll see different categories for the types of notifications Pinterest can send you. Look for the section called Pins You Published. Under this section, tap on Comments. This is where you can control how you're notified when someone leaves a comment on one of your pins. You'll see a setting called How Do You Want to Be Notified? Here, you'll have a few options, but to make sure you get alerts directly inside the Pinterest app, toggle on the switch for In-App. When this is turned on, you'll receive notifications right on your device whenever someone comments on your published pins. That's it. You've now set up in-app notifications for comments on your Pinterest pins. This small change can make a big difference in how quickly you can respond to your audience, keep the conversation going, and build stronger engagement on your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.